Alrighty, so the secret to social media ads. Does everybody know the secret? Don't make it look like an ad. So these are two ads. This is Carter's, and then this is Emily Chelsea. They're based in Philadelphia. Her ads, we only run her ads on Instagram. We do not run them on Facebook because that's not her audience at all. So just so you know, you do not have to. Also, we usually only do video-based ads for her. Very rarely do we do photos. When you run advertising on the platforms, you want to lean into the kind of content. They create a lot of video content. So this literally is it's just as if they had done it in a reel and then they made it an ad. That's all we did, but we've been able to extend the reach and connect. Her sales have been up, and she said to me, our sales are up a lot. And the only thing that's different is you, Jennifer. I'm like, excellent. Because she was anti-ads all the way, but it's because she's seen what? Bad ads. How many of you have seen bad social media ads? Okay, take your top performing organic, authentic content and use that for your ads.